All right, so April let me satisfy my craving with getting a soft pretzel. So we're at Frankfurt and Bly, and the pretzel factory is open on Frankfurt Avenue, and the one in Pendle was already closed next to Intergalactic Fireworks. And I was trying to kill two birds with one stone.
Where are you gonna park?
I'm gonna make a U-turn here because that's a Philly thing. And then I don't have to parallel park. So I'm gonna go all the way up here. Yeah.
Oh,
So
right
what
here.
what did we miss this week that we just had our discussion with? We missed our steps at the Cherry Hill Mall, and then we missed the Berlin Mart soft pretzel and additional steps.
Correct.
So we're still gonna get a pretzel.
We didn't have steps.
Are you gonna get one?
No.
Come on. Lock the door. We're not in a safe neighborhood. Diner right across the street. You want to go to Chicky and Pete's for dinner?
Who?
Chicky and Pete's, the original Chicky and Pete's.
Sure.
So we were kind of shocked that the pretzel factory in Pendle was closed. I'm sure they're all privately owned.
Yeah.
And then she said, well, Philly Pretzel Factory on Frankfurt Ave is open till 8.
Yeah. There was a couple that were closed when I was looking.
So did you say yes? Yes? Did you say yes to Chicky and Pete's?
Yes. I said I'll never say no to Chicky and Pete's.
So I wish I had more time when I go into to Dumpy Ford to stop and get pretzels, but I'm always in a rush and I always drive by it. So let's go in. Well,
You're not touching anything. And your shirt's already dirty.
Oh, look at all the goodies. Pretzel dogs. What do they have? Pizza dogs? Pizza rolls too?
Each dress is 125. It's 5 for 5.
Well, we can have dinner, but we can get this for later.
You're not
Do you
going
want
to get one right
No,
now?
I'll wait. Since we're going to go have dinner, I will wait. But you have to have spicy mustard. Like, I need spicy mustard for later. For TV time. Pretzels and water ice go together. Right? They do. Over. Alright, 2 pretzel dogs. You're gonna get a soft pretzel at all? No?
I'm going to get the little ones.
Alright. Box of little ones.
You get 2 dips with them.
Did I get 2 dips? What's the dips?
We got cheese, spicy and regular, then our mustard, yellow, spicy,
This is
honey.
spicy.
Spicy cheese or mustard?
Mustard.
Mustard for both.
Correct.
And then I want 2 not so salty pretzels, like right there on the end. I hate to be picky. And one
What kind would you like?
regular mustard. Super hot mustard? Is it super hot?
You want regular? I thought you wanted spicy.
So you have super hot mustard and spicy?
Yes.
So what's the original one before you added
Sophia. The spicy brown.
spicy brown, please?
Yeah, that's it. Yes. So, spicy brown.
Correct.
Anything else?
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay,